have had my Numatic NBV190 for over 2 years now. 2 years. Wizard has been sat at the bottom of the stairs, just being generally handy. I mean, look, there's some dirt on the floor. I get him out, and up it comes. Bird mess on the desk, little tiny spills. Basically, every month that you see me use a vacuum cleaner specifically for that month, it gets cheated on massively with this, also for the car, and it comes out and about with me. Should I feel I need a vacuum cleaner off-site? But what I've never done is undo the screws underneath and see what makes it tick. We're going to remove the battery, put that safely to one side, and today have a look at what makes what I think is probably the best cordless cleaner I have ever used. It's flipping pricey, but flipping good. See what makes it tick. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and pneumatic chums. How are you today? Yeah, the warranty is long expired on this, and I've been meaning to have a look. I find myself with a spare couple of minutes, so figured we may as well do it together and see. Now, I only see 4 screws on the bottom, and I don't know whether to lift the bottom up or the top off. From the feeling how this is flexing, I think we might turn it over and just take the top completely off. There we go. Look, it's all still very clean inside, although look at the filth build up. One of the other things I want to do is give it all a bit of a clean. Well, we have the wires at the front. Seems weird, see little tiny weeny cables rather than obviously the big stuff that it needs, and it all plugs nicely onto the board. We can take off this connector here, which seems to just do the front. Then this one's probably going to be for the battery contacts, and then those will be for the motor, I would imagine. But we'll leave that for now because we can take off these two. There we go. Oh, long ones that I have seen. So I can't imagine the motor's going to go in completely from the bottom. Right, this is lots of this foam sound deadening. Look, it's no wonder it's nice and quiet. So no motor under there yet. The motor must be hiding under here, and I don't quite know how it comes off. Perhaps all of those clips will do it. Ooh, there we go, look. There it is. Nice. It's supposed to be a digital motor, but I can see some black there, but I don't think it's carbon dust. There it is, look. There is the motor of my cordless pneumatic. I could unplug it, but I don't particularly want to. We'll put that on there. Look, we have some sound deadening in here as well. And yeah, everything. It's just very, very clean and tidy, really. Big old fan case seal there. Again, it's quite grubby considering it's never been apart before. Oh, that is very cool indeed. Oh, there's a ratings plate on the motor. 325 watts, 36 volts. This is the sort of motor that I want to learn how to play with, because, you know, imagine having one of these inside of a Hoover X or something like that. It's pretty cool. 325 watts. That is 25 watts less than this says, but I guess it needs a bit for the LEDs and a bit for the battery management system. So we can sort of forgive it. God, that bit there looking like a cassette tape is completely encased in epoxy. Probably won't go to the effort of taking that off. Yeah, that's the battery board in there. That's pretty cool. Yeah. I quite like that indeed. Just need to work out what sort of thing I would need to run this from something else, because it could be a project for another day if these ever become cheap enough, because they're not at the minute. They're very, very expensive. Right, I suppose we better get this back together.
And with that, the top is back together. That was a lot easier than I thought it was for sure. Put the battery back in and... Hey! Max works. Minimum. Yeah, minimum is all that I ever use him on. Although I do treat myself to maximum sometimes for the floor. But... general day-to-day use, setting one is perfect, and yeah, I think this is the best cylinder style cordless vacuum cleaner ever made. Change my mind if you feel, but it's certainly different to the Henry cordless because of the motor. I really want to learn how to play about with those motors. I've not put that back together right. Look! Oh! That's better. Yeah, if you have experience of 3-wire digital motors and what the heck I need to buy to plug one in and then power it from something, do let me know, because I do love the idea of having something this powerful in something really stupid. And obviously comment down below what really stupid vacuum we could fix with a motor like that, and it might help me inspire us to get on with it. But yeah, that is my wizard. That is what is inside of his no longer under warranty brain. So please keep working, boy. I do like you a lot. Do you like the wizard? Let me know down below. And until the next time, I and some other suction cleaning magical device will see you soon. Bye bye.